The blower wheel blows air through your bathroom fan's heater unit. Over time, the wheel will become plugged with lint and dust. While it can be cleaned, you might elect to just simply replace it. Replacing the blower wheel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before performing any repairs on your bathroom fan, be sure to turn off the circuit breaker for safety. For demonstration purposes, I'll be working on this bathroom fan on my workbench, but of course your fan will be mounted on the ceiling. I'll begin by removing the lens. To remove the lens, I'll gently pry one side to release the tab, and then pull the lens away from the housing. Now I'll remove the light bulb, and I'll remove the nut that secures the reflector and the grill. The reflector plugs in to the side of the housing. Now I can remove the heater unit. First, I'll unplug the pigtail. I'll pull the wires from the clips, and I'll remove the screw that secures the heater unit to the housing. Then I'll tilt the heater back and away from the housing. The blower wheel is secured with a single set screw. I'll use an Allen wrench to loosen it. Then I can pull the blower wheel away from the motor shaft. Now I can install the new blower wheel. There's a flat on one side of the motor shaft. I'll align the set screw with the flat as I install it onto the shaft. I've set the blower wheel all the way down on the shaft as far as it will go. Now I'll pull it back about 1/8 of an inch and tighten the set screw. Now I can reinstall the heater unit. As I install the heater unit, I'll align the tab on the heater unit housing with the slot on the main fan housing. Once the tab is aligned with the slot, I'll rotate the unit in, hold it in place, and secure it with the screw. I'll place the wires back into the wire clips. And plug the heating unit in. Now I can plug the socket back into the receptacle. Now I can reinstall the grill. I'll slide the reflector through the grill, align the tabs on either side of the grill with the cutouts on the reflector. Make sure I snap the socket wires back into the wire clip. And align the grill and reflector with the housing. And I'll secure the reflector and the grill with the nut. Next, I'll reinstall the light bulb. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the lens. I align the tabs on the lens with the openings in the grill. I'll insert one tab on one side and then snap the one on the other side into place. And that's how you can install a new blower wheel on your bathroom fan. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.